Here's the Facebook, the number one day. We have 10 minutes to the closing bell. I've got 537 million shares traded, and everyone has an opinion, but you can see from that bid to the high there, that's what we call walking that dog up to that high. And then we're down here, print right here on the lows right now. We got 26 lows and we got only 8 highs. And that was when they opened the IPO. But let me tell you something. Institutional money is hitting the tape because this was negative, close to the same amount that you see right here. It was red. And there's been a big turnaround. So you can see where the majority of the crowd is getting involved in Facebook. But let me tell you, Facebook is just like any other stock. It just has a name to it. It will have trading ranges. Right now, it's going to mark its range at the current level of $7 MMTs on its opening day so far. We have another 9 minutes to go. I'll be happy to come back. The time is 12:51 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 5/18/2012. And welcome Facebook to the exchange model. And there will be the public retail behavior to it, as always. However, once again, the MMT market maker will make the market between the public people here and walk away a winner. Many, many daily compounded profits making markets with Facebook. And right now, I got a $7 range. That means mathematically it will go up $7, it will go down $7. And it will develop a trading range. And yes, there will be high frequency computing cycles, machines. Go to our website and read the high frequency trading model. We'll read about that SMF market maker platform. Facebook, right now. We have closed the tape on Facebook, and we remain at a $7 range. And it's 1:11 p.m., been closed for 11 minutes. The volume that I have right here is about 567,350,476. Positive money flow ended up from very negative after the sellers had sold. People were there buying Facebook. Facebook will be a market-making tool that we're going to use on a daily compounded level as long as good old Facebook has what? A range in pricing. And when it comes time to taking both sides, you take these breakouts. You can see the breakouts here. Then you can see how it shifted to the left, MMT, in its first daily review. So you got these little wicks up in here in prices. Look at this. But here's the most important thing. Every time it was going up, this is where that money. This is where you can see where the price started to narrow range here, and that broke down to the lows again. And that's its first glimpse of a 3-minute chart. The high was way up here. We already know it. It was $45 right here. So you can see here on its first day from that high where I have that trend line to where this bottom, once again, kind of like the narrow range that it had here before it broke down. And once again, very thinly traded right now for the first day at time periods throughout the day. And this one was a little bit broader. I would be happy to show you the zoom tool on how this breakdown occurred. And we'll just leave that diagonal trend line because we know that that came from the $45 high. And it came right through here too. And right where all these sell wicks were. Look at that. Then look at here. So that's called sliding the bid down intraday. And then the high frequency model was over here buying at key levels of $38 for the whole day mathematically. Because you can see the time frame over here. And various ranges will be established moving forward. If you want to buy the trade management, you can go to our website there and we'll have live updates that you can purchase about what the technicals may or may not be on Facebook. It would probably be worth your money to do so. Once again, MMTs, we are going to conclude the first trading day with the $7 range. We had 26 lows and 8 highs. Okay? So, we'll visit Facebook on Monday. And when we get our first 5-day price action, we'll go through that after 5 full trading days, today being day number 1. And that is 5/18/2012, 1:14 p.m. Pacific Standard